It's Self-Made from Self-Made FishingTV. Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to have you guys. I hope you guys are excited to be here. As always, if you guys haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button for me, as well as hit that little notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I release more content. I have a bunch of fishing content planned for this channel, as well as fishing content coming out every single week. So if you guys don't want to miss it and you're interested in the content that I'm bringing, definitely hit that subscribe button for me. But for today's video, I've had a lot of people reach out and ask me what is it that I use for my carp setups out there. I know there's a lot to choose from. For me personally, I don't fish for carp that often, but I do fish for them a few times during the year. But for me, I use some very affordable setups. So that's what I'll be talking about in this video. So if you guys have a setup that you guys like to use, I would love to hear about it in the comments. Let me know what your favorite setup to use is for carp. Who knows, I might even go out there and buy one if you guys can talk me into it. But let's not waste any time. I'll go ahead and show you guys the video. Alright guys, the first setup that I'm talking to you guys about in this video, it's actually going to be the Shakespeare Tiger combo. These are super inexpensive, very affordable combos. You can buy this whole combo here for just $19.94, I believe it is, at Walmart. So very inexpensive, super nice combo. I've caught a ton of big fish with this. Like I said, of course, there's much better setups you can buy for carp, but if you're just looking for something to have out there on your arsenal, you just might do it for an hour or two when you're out bass fishing, this is perfect. I run this with, I know you guys have heard me talk about it before, but I got either 17 or 20 pound mono here. That's what I use on my line. And then, of course, I have the method feeder and the hair rig. So if you guys have not seen a video or not sure what this rig is, I'll go ahead and leave a link above for you guys so you guys can hit that and check that video out as well. But this right here, I've caught a ton of carp. It is an absolute carp slayer, 20 bucks. Catch all the carp that you want, and super big ones at that. And I actually, when I go out, I keep 3 carp holes. So I have 2 of the exact same setup that I showed you. And then I also have this Guggen favorite spinning combo. This one's a little more expensive, $59.99 for this one. I normally run my line a little bit smaller on this rod, normally 8 to 10 pound line with this rod, tied to the hair rig with the method feeder as well. So like I said, absolutely slay carps with these rods here, and all 3 of my setups total cost me less than 100 bucks. So, you know, be able to have multiple rods out there and get into a huge carp and know that you're going to be able to bring it in if you go out and get you something like what I just showed you here. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really do appreciate every one of you guys tuning in for these videos. If you guys haven't done so, like I said in the beginning, please smash that subscribe button for me, as well as hit the little notification bell so you guys can get notified with the weekly fishing content that I release. And like I said, I have a bunch of stuff planned for the future. Next week, I'll be releasing a video on my new camera, the A7 III. Can't wait to get that tomorrow and do the video for that. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's Self-Made. Tight lines out there. Happy fishing. Be safe. Thanks for watching.